How to create a group in Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can create a group in Facebook Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Messenger application in your mobile device and make sure that you are signed in with your account. Now to create a group, navigate to top right corner. There is a small create chat icon in front of the Facebook icon. Tap on it. Select group chat. Then at the top you can name your group. After that, under the space you have to select the contact that you want to add to the group. So here select all of the contact that you want to add, and once you have added more than one people, then tap on the create icon at the top right corner, and with that your group will be created and you can chat in the group. So that's how you can create a group in Facebook Messenger, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.